How to get a refund on Motional application. First, you want to go to your browser. I'm using Safari over here. And here at the bottom of your screen, you can see a search bar. Simply tap on it. And you want to type in Motional refund policy. Simply tap on refund policy over here. And you want to scroll down until you see the official Motional website. Tap on the website and you want to scroll down, and if you want, you can read these terms and conditions over here. However, if you just want to file a complaint, you can scroll down all the way and you'll see an option called contact us over here. Simply tap on it. You want to scroll down again. You want to select your reason over here. After that, you'll see an page like this, and here you'll see the office locations of the application, and here you'll see the office locations if you want to visit physically. However, if you want to file a complaint over mail, you can simply go to this mail over here and type it out your inquiries over there, explain your problem on the subject email and ask for a refund. Team will reach out to you within 2-3 business days, and if your appeal is valid, you might even get your refund. And if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.